Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I got some electric wire here with some of my 3D printing stuff. I started to do some electronics inside of it, so I needed some little electric wire, so I got myself this little kit. So check it out here. It comes with a little wire stripper piece in there. This one here on the side is the wire stripper, and then the little wire, those little heat shrink wraps around them. We get a bunch of colored zip ties, and then we have the wire here. Let me just grab one of the wires here. So it is, the one I have here is blue. So you can see it's a nice thin wire. It's good for small stuff. You're not going to put fancy electricity through it. You'll do, I usually use like a 3-volt battery or something like that. But so you got the little, so I just stripped that one. I could just strip it with my fingers because it's so light duty. But yeah, it's just stranded wire inside of it, and it's very flexible, which is nice. So you can kind of feed it through stuff really easy, and then you can put it into the little hole here to keep it from spinning around. So, but it's a nice little setup. So you got blue, we've got a variety of different colors. You can see them all in there. It looks like the black came unwound a bit, but very cool. Nice little setup here with all the different stuff you need, and it's good to go. So I'm going to keep this with my little kit of stuff. So as I build my next little Arduino stuff or whatever I'm doing, I can use these little wires to get it working. So it's a whole little multicolor set. I guess these are the colors you get. So totally good. Thumbs up.